Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change your Snapchat username without waiting for a year. At first we're going to click on Google and search for Snapchat support. From there click on this first one that comes up. After that we're going to scroll down until we see this option called Contact Us. Just click on this one and then we're just going to click on I need help with the Snapchat feature. And then we're going to click on changing my username. After that, scroll down and click on still need help, and we're going to click on yes. From there, put your current username, your email, and in the description box write, hey, my current username is at whatever your username is, and then say, but due to some privacy problems I want to change it, but I can't wait for a year. I want to change my username to, and then write whatever you want it to, and then just say, please help me. Thank you. And then press submit once you do this, and within 24 hours they should review your account, and then that option should automatically be here, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.